Alright, so we're winterizing this hot tub. First thing we did is turn the fuse off, so we have no power to it. Then we're going to come on the side here. We took the panel off, and then that's just a valve we open up, and we're going to drain it out. And I'm going to show you the rest of the process. It's going to take a little while to fully drain.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Okay, so now we've gotten to the bottom here, and you can see we're using the vacuum to suck out just the very last of it. It's still draining, but just very slowly. So this speeds it right up. And once the vacuum fills up, just drain that out. What you can do is you can unscrew these valves, put the mini freeze down here. But you also want to make sure that as you're sucking out here, you open them up, and then you take a screw like this. You know? And you get down there. So we're going to put some mothballs in here so that if any mice get in, they don't have the smell and then they'll chew.
I'll put them in a bucket so they don't make a mess. Put them in a spot where it'll fill the whole bottom. It'll smell like this, especially in a closed space. And then they don't go in there.
And then we're going to tarp this up just so the cover stays nice for next season.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.